5 benefits of ginger for men. So now, gentlemen, you might have heard that ginger is awesome to prevent heart disease and to boost your immune system to fight off this nasty cold. But there's so much more to this low expensive ancient root that has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine. Now, for any ladies watching, of course, ginger also has some of the benefits of ginger are unique for our beloved counterparts. And that's what we're going to talk about today. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com. I heartily welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you to become your own health expert so you can heal your digestion, increase your energy, and take this energy out into the world and manifest your dreams. Today's video is about the 5 health benefits of ginger for men, and there might be some surprises for you. Lots to say about that. Number 1, ginger is a natural aphrodisiac. Yes, you've heard right. Ginger has been used for thousands of years in ancient cultures to help us improve our love life. Research found out that this is mainly because of the manganese in ginger, which helps the male body to produce and to release testosterone, which is important for our sex drive. And it also showed that it improves circulation. The ginger rolls in this beautiful ginger root help to increase your blood flow by widening the blood vessels. And this is a major support if you suffer from erectile dysfunction, so you can enjoy your love life again. Surprising health benefit of ginger, number 2, ginger can help you with stress. It has components that are important for our neurological health, and it has shown to decrease our level of anxiety and stress. This results in being able to sleep better, to sleep deeper, and to fall asleep more easy. So if you're a stressed manager or a busy family father falling into bed and just your head is just spinning, think of ginger, and you might have wanted ginger tea before you go to bed, or even better, if you use ginger raw, you get even more health benefits, because then all the active enzymes which normally get destroyed by heat, they are still in there. So grating ginger just in warm water without boiling, or even making some fresh ginger juice diluted in water is a great support here. Health benefit number 3, it's a major one. Ginger has shown, even medically proved, that it kills cancer cells. For the gentleman, this is prostata cancer and colon cancer and colon rectal cancer especially. And apparently what ginger does here, it inhibits the growth of cancer cells. So if you have cancer or you know somebody who has cancer, it kills the cancer cells, literally kills the cancer cells. That's why right now modern Western medicine experiments with ginger root in chemo prevention of colon cancer and prostata cancer. Health benefit number 4, for all the gym rats and the Ironmans out there, ginger and the containing ginger rolls in there do not only boost your performance, but what they also do is they help you recover after your workout. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger help to reduce the swelling and take away the muscle soreness after pushing hard for your goal. So great booster, great support for the active sportive men. And last but not least, ginger benefit for men, number 5, heart loves ginger. The components of magnesium and potassium naturally contained in ginger help to lower your blood pressure, they help to lower cholesterol, and the vitamin B6 in there also helps to prevent clogged blood vessels and just really increase the circulation and keep your blood fluid. Hey guys, these were the 5 health benefits of ginger. Let's recap. Ginger can improve your love life, a natural aphrodisiac, helps you produce and release more testosterone and increases your circulation. Number 2, ginger helps you to sleep better, it reduces anxiety and stress, all great for your emotional well-being as well. Health benefit number 3, ginger has shown to prevent and to kill prostata and colon cancer cells, and might be soon natural part of how we treat cancer in our modern Western society. Health benefit of ginger for men, number 4. For the active man, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which help to boost performance and reduce the swelling and soreness after workout. And last but not least, ginger is awesome for your health, lowers cholesterol, lowers blood pressure, and prevents clogged blood vessels. If you haven't seen the video about ginger in comparison to garlic, that might be interesting for you. I'm going to link that here for you. And if you like that video, click on the little logo here and become part of our community to learn more about natural ways to improve your health, your digestion, and become your own health expert. Thanks for watching. I wish you a beautiful, energized day. See you soon. Bye bye.